It's been such a pleasure. Very easy, fast, efficient, and our sales have exponentially increased. And I know that this is just the beginning. I'm
Wow.
really excited. I have experience with Shopify and I helped build our website. And I don't have any experience with Amazon. It wasn't necessarily something that I wanted to take the time to learn. As a small business, I am doing so many different things in the business. I was one day telling one of my friends about how I'm struggling because I know that we could be selling better on Amazon if I actually knew how to work the SEO and text and knew what to say. And I just felt like the listing looked bad no matter how many YouTube videos I watched. I just kind of realized it wasn't for me to learn. It wasn't worth my time. She told me about your business and it was exactly what I needed. And I just got like a great feeling. And I realized that this is going to be a good fit for a business. It really helped start our business on Amazon, especially because I would say that we were barely doing any sales before. One of the biggest values is, of course, Amazon is a larger revenue source for us now. It's actually a sales outlet, whereas before it wasn't. Now it's like we definitely have the opportunity to offer free shipping, and more people are finding out about it. And the process was just so easy and efficient. I am really grateful. It's just been a really great experience. I pretty much don't have to make any changes because it's exactly what I was imagining. Everything has just been like spot on and very detail oriented. I already made my money back and that was pretty powerful in my sales before and after working with you guys. I mean, you only have things to gain.